Hello, I'm CG. This is a quick video to show how to make two color background in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template for creating a design. I will use presentation. Next, we can select the design page and go to top option bar. We can find background color, click, and then we can change the color. We can change to single color, and also we can change to two color in gradient. If you want to customize the gradients, we can go to the top and then select it, and then we can find the setting icon, and then we can change the direction, and also we can change the color. So this is the first way to make two color background in gradients. If you want to have sharp cuts between the two color, we need to add elements. I go back to white background first, and then we can go to left toolbar, we can find elements. And then we can go to shapes, and then we can pick square, and then we can enlarge it, click and drag the corner to enlarge it. And then go to top option bar, we can select the color and pick and color. I will use blue. Next, we can go to add another shape. Now I click CO, and then we can add a parallelogram. Same thing, we can click and drag the corner to enlarge it. I press Shift to enlarge it with distortion. And then we can select another color. For example, I choose pink or purple. Now we can go to top option bar, we can use effects and then add shadow. So you can customize the setting for the two colors background. So this is how we can make two colors background in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will share with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.